and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm doing something a little bit different here on my channel and I'm having a giveaway. It's just something small, but it has been my favorite kitchen gadget for the past year and a half or so. My husband got me this adjustable strainer for Christmas 2 years ago, and it is my favorite kitchen tool. I use it almost every day. I get so many questions and compliments about this. Purple is my favorite color, so I love using it. It just kind of makes me happy every time that I see it in the kitchen. And it's really cool because it has these little clips on the back and it adjusts to any size pot that you might need it for to strain potatoes or pasta or whatever you need to dump out of a pot. It is super easy to wash. It's so much easier than a big metal colander, which definitely still has its place in my kitchen, but for straining anything, this is just ideal. I love it so much. So actually, like 2 months ago, around Christmas time, I bought an adjustable strainer because I wanted to do a giveaway and I totally forgot about it. So today is the day. So all of the rules for this giveaway will be in my description box below. But to win this strainer, you need to comment below your absolute favorite kitchen gadget and why. And I think it'll be such a fun little list that everybody who watches this channel can look through as a nice resource for maybe gift ideas or just things that maybe they don't have that they'd like to add to their collection in their kitchen, because I love a good kitchen gadget. So again, to enter the giveaway, comment below with your favorite kitchen gadget and just make sure you check my description box for all of the rules. And the winner is going to be announced next Sunday, March 15th. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, check out some of my other cooking videos, and I'll see you again soon.